And you've contradicted yourself tonight on a huge level, on like the most highest level you could. Because
on the highest level,
you actually agreed with everything I've been saying about the shadow government, even though thousands of times you tried to say that it doesn't exist. You argued me down as if it didn't exist.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to your boy Just On Time Entertainment, where facts meet reality. If it's trending, if it's controversial, if it's just flat out funny, we gonna talk about it on this channel right here. So while you're rocking with me, I respect that. If you're rocking with me, I love that. If you're really truly rocking with me, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you get it every single time that I drop something. Again, we on the ride, baby. This is about to be amazing. So let's get it on time. I mean, let's get it just on time. Let's go. The gift that keeps on giving. Mr. Anton Daniels. This is crazy. So, remember I said in my last video, Fatty versus Anton, the hidden tapes. Well, this is Anton reposting the stream right here. But he deleted the part that Fatty and him was going at it. He deleted that part, reposted it as if the stream was cut off, right? As if this stream was only 2 hours and 27 minutes. Now, when do you know for Anton Daniels' stream on Room 9 to be 2 hours and 27 minutes? Well, that's because he cut half the show out. But that's okay because he ended up going off on Slimmy, and Slimmy ended up going off, and they just went at it back and forth. And it all started with this Dr. Fauci pleading the fifth more than 100 times, as you see on the screen. This is Room 9. It all started there. And Slimmy noticed something. He noticed a kink in the armor. Matter of fact, some of the women started noticing the kink in Anton's armor. Fatty had hit that man so hard, it's almost like a person that get into a car accident, you know? And when they get out, they kind of like drunk, you know, punch drunk. They discombobulated, right? That was Anton after he got in this little tussle with Fatty. So we're going to go ahead and play this, and I'm going to react to it as we go. I just watched a little bit, so I didn't even get to finish it. So let's get it. Let's go.
These type of people like a Henry Kissinger, they serve under all presidents. They're not Republican, they're not conservative. They're not the type of people that we see on a daily basis. Dr. Fauci, in my opinion, is a fucking face. He did what he was told to do, and he was pardoned for it, and he was probably rewarded for it very, very handsomely. I think that Dr. Fauci is just a fucking face. I don't even think that he's the guy at all. I don't think it's one guy. I don't think it's one guy at all.
One guy about what?
Listen to what I'm saying.
One guy about what?
Did you notice Molly's face right here? You know, usually that's his defender, his pit bull defender. You know, she usually guard the house. Did you notice? Go back and just rewind like maybe 20 seconds and just watch Molly. She saw the kink in the armor. All this time, Anton, I stand on my square. I come with my own style from time to time. This is what I do. I don't change my opinion by nobody else's opinion. I come with my own opinion. It's me. I'm rich as fuck. That's what Anton act like. And she loves that about Anton. I love you, Anton. That's what she'll say to him, right? But she finally saw a kink in the armor. You know why? Because Anton has called this man right here a conspiracy theorist for a long time. And some of those same conspiracies Molly used to get at Slimmy and say he was crazy until she started reading the Epstein files. And she came on the show, this is months ago, and said, Slimmy, you were right. And I apologize. She said that. So for a minute, they actually had a unity. And Anton would go at both of them. Y'all just conspiracy theorists, and I ain't got time for that from time to time. I'm trying to rub the bag. And now to turn around and say what he just said is wild. That's why Slimmy asked him the question. Let's keep going.
What though, Anton?
Listen to what I'm saying.
Hold on, wait. I want to ask Anton a specific question.
Listen to what I'm saying.
One guy about what?
Listen to what I'm saying. Anything that from the Epstein files to Dr. Fauci to the fucking war. Anybody that you see that puts a face to it or attach themselves to it is not a person that's really making a decision on what the fuck is going on. We truly, Sammy, can you please let me talk? We keep on trying to have these conversations about Dr. Fauci. The reason, in my opinion, why he's able to go up there is because he can plead the fifth. The person that called him up there before the Senate was Rand Paul. I don't give a fuck about what he think. So I guess my point is that I think that people want blood, but people are misguided because the person that they want blood from, they can't even get any blood out of him. They're not gonna draw no blood out of him. Ain't nothing you can do to him. He never gonna see the inside of a prison, and so there is no accountability to be had from Dr. Fauci.
So who he working for?
I don't know. How am I supposed to know? Oh shit! I just said that you'll never know him.
Well,
you don't. Nobody knows him.
Hold on. Sorry,
how am I supposed to know who he working for?
I got another question for you.
Cool.
So if you saying that it's people beyond the government that run things, who are you referring to?
I just said I don't know. I don't know.
So
how am I supposed to know?
Do think,
if they don't make themselves available to the general public?
So you do think that there are people beyond the government that run the show?
Yeah, absolutely.
Come on.
So why do you have so much pushback when I say certain things? Man. If you believe that.
Do you notice the moment he said, "Yeah, absolutely"? Molly jumped right off camera. Bingo. Kink in the armor. All them times that Molly had his back. Anton won when he fought against Corey Holcomb. Anton, I love you, Anton. Anton. Look at all the ladies. They looking down. Mimi is like, she don't want to pay no attention. Because you contradict yourself, bruh. All this time you tried to make Slimmy seem like he's the emotional one. It seemed like he's the conspiracy theorist man, right? When he was just saying what he was reading, he was saying what he was hearing, he was saying what he thought. And you tried to make him seem like he was crazy. Oh shit! To make yourself look better in front of the women or whatever on the internet. All this time, Slimmy was the crazy man, right? But your ass was caught in 4K. Caught in 4K, and your girl left your side. She turned them camera off the moment that you said, nah, bruh, let's go. Wow. We gonna get exposure.
Like what? Give me an example.
Plenty of times I said that you can't trust the government because the people that we see aren't running the country. And you got hella pushback when I say that.
Because the reason why I got pushback when you say that is because you look at the government. You want me to answer the question? You look at the government. You look at the government as one entity because you
don't know how I look at the government, sir.
Slimmy, you gonna let me answer the question or not? It's a rhetorical question, and you already know what my answer is. You look at the government as one entity. I look at the government as a whole lot of different entities that all come together, and it forms different things. And so a lot of times you'll say all politicians, you'll say politicians are corrupt. And I'll say, no, all politicians are not corrupt. And one of the examples that I'll use.
I stopped it this time because he ain't said shit. He's literally been talking. You want me to answer the question, Slimmy? That was one pause. Are you going to just laugh, Slimmy? That was another pause because he had nothing to say. He was trying to come up with something, grasping for air.
I think that it's important for you to get involved in local politics, right? A small municipality is much different than the national government. A state's government or state legislators are much different than mayors, right? And so I don't look at it as one thing. I look at it as separate entities that deal with different issues. What's happening in Chicago is much different than what's happening in Milwaukee, is much different than what's happening abroad as far as what we fighting in wars. So I don't look at the government from the same lens that you look at it. You say the government. Please I say a government over here.
Think about something.
Why do you, what? Okay, so why?
Hey, I'm telling you, there's gonna be a lot of sometimes stoppage because this motherfucker was saying all kinds of crazy shit. He just said a bunch of nothing. A bunch of nothing. Matter of fact, he like Cuba Gooding Jr.
Shit. I'm so fucking tired of this shit. Fuck this shit. Stupid motherfucker. Fuck you. Fucking dirty as shit. I'm saying kill all you motherfuckers. Come on, me, motherfucker.
And boys, when he was, came in the house, he was swinging. That's after Fatty put a 2-piece to his dome.
Oh shit.
And he don't know what to do but just swing right now. He don't know. He is literally out of his body. Out of his body. Like when Doctor Strange you do that thing and your soul. That's where Anton is in the air somewhere. His body is just talking. He don't know he knows what he's talking about because he's trying to deflect. But he's just saying words at this point. Not a goddamn thing that Slimmy was talking about. Just saying words. And then I'm sure eventually he'll start talking bad about some, because I hadn't seen after this part. I'm sure eventually he'll start calling Slimmy emotional, or he'll try to play on Slimmy's mind somehow. Somehow. You'll see. But I'm reacting to this right now because I did not know that he redropped this.
How do you ask me a question if you don't want me to answer it in full?
Because you're telling me what I think. And you've never heard me say that, Anton. You can't. Why do you do that?
You have the opportunity to rebut. The same way that you told me what I just said, you say what I say, and then I give you the context and I let you finish, is the same way that you have the opportunity to correct me when I get done. But Anton, you do all of this.
Ain't that amazing that that's all Fatty said to Molly? Let me finish my sentence, and then you can correct me. So he reused Fatty's shit, but he stopped Fatty from even speaking. Damn, that's crazy. Wow. Contradictions at finest.
Hemming and hawing and all of this stuff. I'm like,
so nobody can make noise. Nobody can. So nobody can make noise.
You can, but I think that
I laughed and you
can, Slimmy.
I laughed.
It's fine, Slimmy. I think that you ask rhetorical questions not for insight, but to try to prove a point. And I think that your point, the points that you try to prove is moot.
Oh shit!
I think it's crazy. I think the points that you try to prove is moot.
Boy, I don't know who you are, but this ain't Anton Daniels, nigga.
It is, nigga. It is.
You bugging.
I'm doing what Brittany told us to do. I'm thinking for myself.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Because you can't say all these times that I said, hey man, the figures that we look at as the government aren't the ones running the country. You then blew down 1,000 times and said I was wrong. And then you literally just said what I've been saying on this platform the whole time and said that you agree with it. So why did you argue with me all those times? And then you tried to lie and make some bogus shit up that I think the government is one. Like, why would you say that? You ain't never heard me say that.
Did you hear what I just said?
Anton, you blatantly said Anton,
each issue is its own issue, Slimmy.
Anton, please. You blatantly lied and said, I think the government is one thing.
Yes, you're talking about it like it's one entity.
No, I don't. That's how you take it. That's how you want to. Anton, stop.
Come on now, dog.
I noticed. Mimi
Come on, man.
Shaking her head. She like, damn. Mimi, you my girl still. So hey, listen, I ain't got no hate on you. I just noticed, baby. I can read your brain right there. Like, damn. Anton getting cooked. Kim and I up here. She don't even want to look at the camera. Brittany just calmed down. Came back on camera to give that man a 2 thumbs up and then calmed down again. And Molly just said, I'm going to fade to the back. Damn. Woo. Leaving you to fend for yourself. This is funny, Anton. Let's go.
Anton,
No, I'm not going to stop.
Cool.
No, I'm not. When I talk about crime in Chicago, that's completely separate from immigration in Texas, which is completely separate from TPS for Haitians being deported back to Haiti, which is completely separate from a war with Iran, which is completely separate from a proxy war with Taiwan, which is completely separate from the Bears trying to move over to Hammond, Indiana, because Illinois can't get themselves together. All of these issues are separate things that are being impacted by decisions that are happening on a local level, on a national level, and so on and so forth. It's a complex web that we have to deal with. And so what I'm saying is that all government in itself needs to be talked about separately. It's all different. It's different on all levels. That's not wrong. And it's not word salad. It's the truth.
As it is the truth, the way you just used it right now, my nigga, was word salad. Because you still ran away from Slimmy's original question. Who does Dr. Fauci work for? Who are they? You won't answer. You won't answer.
Now, because we don't want to talk about it. Now, because we don't want to talk about it and have a discussion and admit Anton is right about this particular thing.
Come on now.
And then Anton also agrees with
Come on, man.
on this particular thing. But I have to agree with you wholeheartedly. Otherwise, who is this guy talking? It's crazy to me.
Anton, you literally put words in my mouth that I've never said.
Oh shit!
And told me how I think.
Then correct me.
You would be pissed if somebody did that to you.
Nope, I'm gonna just correct them.
No. All right, man. You got it, dog.
I'm gonna just correct them.
You're not yet. And then once again, you're not telling the truth.
What am I not telling the truth about?
You're going to you literally just screamed about 50 Cent the other night. You literally just screamed about it.
We went from the government to 50 Cent. All right.
No, Anton, don't do that. Like,
don't do what?
You went from the government to talking about the Bears and sports franchises moving, even though I know that has to do with governmental contracts. But you jump all over the place, Anton. In 3 sentences, you covered about 45,000 miles across the earth. You jump from place to place all the time. What are we talking about?
What are we talking about? We're talking about the government.
All right, bro. You got it, man. This is really bad.
You have to use your words to communicate, Slimmy.
I said you were just screaming about 50 Cent the other night when I brought it up and you thought I was putting words in your mouth. You were just screaming about that.
No, we were passionate. I wasn't angry at you. I did not get upset at you, Slimmy. You know that we argue passionately. You know I've never gotten upset with you, Slimmy. Stop it.
You never let me finish.
Now you talking over me and it's still my turn to talk. How you gonna talk over me and it's my turn? You can't yell at me for finishing my point.
This is exactly what I'm talking about.
You do the same shit that the women do.
Because you're trying
to do the same shit that the women do.
I interjected and I interjected.
Slimmy, we have never gotten upset with each other.
Anton, listen to what I'm saying for understanding. Because you do not like, I said you don't like when people put words in your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
That's literally what I said.
And I'm gonna correct you.
So that's not. No, you didn't correct. You started screaming.
No,
you started screaming.
Stop it, Slimmy. Don't do that. Don't do that.
All right, bro.
Because now you're making an emotional assessment right now, and that's not.
You know what? Cats that do that type of shit, where they act like they don't even pay no attention to you having a conversation with you, even though Slimmy's off camera, that's fine. But cats that do that type of shit, and then they try to calm their voice down, don't mean anything. Not at all. What that tells me is he knows he has nothing else to say. And so now it's time to attack. And I heard the first, and I told y'all earlier, he's going to either try to claim that Slimmy's a madman or emotional. He's going to say something like that, try to get Slimmy to go off. I told you he was going to do it, and he just got done doing it. Watch this shit. I know, this dude, bro. It's bad. Again, I don't think you're a bad person, Anton. I think you're a great content creator. But right now, you look crazy. Look real crazy.
True.
No, it's not emotional at all. You was emotional.
Yeah, I said that I'm emotional. I said I'm passionate about what we talk about.
But I'm not making an I'm literally breaking down what you've done, and you've contradicted yourself tonight on a huge level, on like the most highest level you could. Because
on the highest level,
you actually agreed with everything I've been saying about the shadow government, even though thousands of times you tried to say that it doesn't exist. You argued me down as if it didn't exist.
I argued you down, and I said that things don't happen behind the scenes from people that control what goes on that's beyond the faces that we see. I've argued you down about that.
This is a tactic. And this tactic, when motherfuckers repeat what you said to them in a form of a question, but they never answer it. So you be like, hey, where were you at today? And the motherfucker would respond, where was I at today? And then you go, yeah, I'm asking you, like, what was you doing? What was I doing? Hey, man, so what time you gonna get here? What time am I gonna get there? Motherfucker, answer the... Man, you know what? That'd make you go crazy. And he doing it on purpose because he knows Slimmy will fly off the hinges. And then that way, for the women, they'll be, oh, see, Slimmy, there you go again, Slimmy, you screaming and yelling. But this time, Slimmy's calm. I think after he saw what Fatty did to his ass, there's no need to yell anymore. No need to yell. Not when it comes to you. He's Xerxes. Remember? In the movie 300? I'm a god. I give you everything. Yes. I could strike a world away. I never bleed. And when they made that big tall motherfucker bleed, people were looking around and like, oh, this motherfucker just a dude. But the difference is this is a 5'7" short fat motherfucker, right? With a bunch of money. But Fatty made him bleed.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
And now we know. Don't fall for the little don't fall for it. Don't fall for it, Slimmy. Hold strong.
Time.
I argued you down about that.
Okay. Kim, how many times have we had this debate and Anton played oblivious as if there was no shadow government?
I didn't say it was, no, I don't believe in a shadow government. See, that's what I'm saying.
Sir, can you just let her answer the question, sir? Can you
no, I don't believe, no, because you're twisting my words.
I'm not twisting any words. I'm talking about the words that I use.
I don't believe in a shadow government. Kim, I don't believe in a shadow government. You're right. I don't. I think that people that control what goes on controls the money.
Come on now, dog.
I don't think that has anything to do with the shadow government. Man. I think that that's business. I don't think that Hell Hydra. I don't think that. I don't
contradicting yourself.
I don't think that Hell Hydra exists. I think that when people make decisions, it's ultimately coming with money and power. I think you using the word shadow government. I've never used the word shadow government.
So taking the word shadow government out of the conversation, I think for all the times that any of the conspiracy theorists on the panel have said these people are just the face and there's some other stuff going on, you negated that.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Yeah, because of the context of the conversation.
Come on.
See, again, you have to be specific.
Come on.
A lot of times, what I tell people to do is substantiate your argument. What Slimmy and Molly, a lot of times, what used to do is they would say something and they would say, you got to do the research. You got to figure it out. And I would say, no, I don't. You made the point. You prove what we saying is off, or you prove and substantiate your argument. And so just because I may not agree with a talking point that they have, a specific talking point, does not mean that overall I don't believe that there's people that have influence and control over what happens when it comes to our government. A lot of them are lobbyists. A lot of them use money to lobby the government. A lot of them use money to influence and lobby the government to do certain things. The reasons that we have some of these tariffs in place, for example, is
hey, Slimmy almost lost. This nigga Anton is literally saying everything Slimmy has said in the past. That Anton told Slimmy that he was wrong. You're wrong, Slimmy. I don't know what you're talking about. Why are you bringing that up, Slimmy? What's the point? Can you prove what you said, Slimmy? Can you prove what you said from time to time? Can you prove it, Slimmy? I don't care what you say, Slimmy, but can you prove it, Slimmy? I know the sky is blue, but you got to show me where you can substantiate your argument from time to time. I'm trying to run up the bag. Oh, you got to love it, man. Anton's sick, boy. Anton's sick. Man, Slimmy, he losing his mind like this motherfucker right here, boy. Oh. Let's go.
Industries are protecting themselves from the influx of products that come from China. That's the reason why we don't have Chinese cars in the United States of America. That's a separate issue from a war with Israel, right? That's a separate issue from what's going on with Ukraine. If the automotive industry or the semiconductor chip industry is lobbying the federal government to get a seat at the table to determine policy to make sure that we don't have an influx of Chinese cars because it'll destroy their business, then that's a form of financial influence over our government. It's not just one thing. It's not just one way. So when we have these conversations, we need to separate it. Is this happening over here? Is this happening over here? Yes, I agree with you on this one. I don't agree with you on this one.
Anton, you've literally argued with me
Jesus
about
Christ.
the lobbyists.
Why is it so hard to
You're
figure
contradicting
out?
yourself. This might be the worst contradiction up here ever.
Oh shit!
You've argued with me about the lobbyists.
You sound crazy, Sonny.
No, I don't. Make a poll.
No.
You're literally proving my point that I said up here every time that you argue that
Eastern,
you are proving the same.
3 hours.
Somebody said, make a poll, motherfucker. You know why? Because even if it was one vote and it was mine, you know what vote going towards, which is Slimmy. He's right. You literally have argued him down. And please don't have me go try to look it up. That's a lot of film to look up. But a cat like me that can work 10, 12, 14 hours in a day and still listen at the same time because I'm able to do that, I'll be the wrong cat to come look it up because I'll start putting shit together. You literally have argued him down about a lot of this stuff and you don't sit here and lie. Slimmy, it's not a contradiction. It's a lie. Contradicting is sometimes you just say something you believe in and then you say something else that you believe in, and those two beliefs that you naturally, truly believe contradict themselves, like go against each other. But when you flat out lie, allegedly, like that, Anton, when you flat out lie, allegedly, that's different. You got to watch cats like him. They'll do anything for that money, anything for that clout. Anything to win an argument.
You are repeating things that I said up here that you argue with me about, Anton.
You don't even talk about the automotive industry. The fuck is you talking about? You don't talk about that stuff. I talk about that every day on the Millionaire Morning Show. These are things I say every single day. I spend more time breaking down the government and what happens from a financial perspective on the.
I'm not going to let Anton get away with that because I'm not sure if Slimmy's going to say it or not. Again, I haven't seen this part. He was talking about the lobbyists. And you know Anton knew what he was talking about, so he just started going to the automotive industry. Don't let motherfuckers like Anton escape. They wiggly and they slimy. It's hard to hold them because they be slipping out. Gotta catch that fish, hold him down, and choke that motherfucker out like Fatty did. Choke his ass out like Fatty did.
Oh shit!
And then he ended up getting rid of him. That's what happens. Well, make his ass kick you off the show too, Slimmy. Fuck it.
Millionaire more. I stream longer on a daily basis, more times a week on the Millionaire Morning Show, and I have these conversations with the people on a regular basis. By the time I get to this shit, most of the subjects I even introduce here is shit that I already talked about.
You know, it don't mean that you didn't argue with me about that. It don't mean that you didn't argue with me about lobbyists.
No, I argue with you about a specific subject. Lobbyists exist in so many different sectors of the government. Lobbyists exist in the automotive industry. It exists when it comes to schools. It exists when it comes to medicine. It exists when it comes to the pharmaceutical companies. It exists when it comes to a lot of different things. Different lobbyists do different things for different people. It exists when it comes to the lawyer industry. It exists when it comes to a lot of different things.
Anton.
Lobby is so many different types of lobbyists. You're not going to sit here and pin me and say lobbyists in general. It's a lot of different lobbyists. What the fuck? What are we talking about?
Anton.
Will the real Anton please stand up,
bro? No, you just you're limited in the way that you're having this conversation because you don't want to deep dive. And if we start the deep dive, it's going to get really bad for you.
We had plenty of.
I'm trying to save you in this conversation.
You can't save anything. You saving yourself.
I'm literally trying to save you.
Saving yourself.
Okay.
You saving yourself. Anton, you've been wrong about this since been wrong. Since been wrong. Since been wrong.
I'm trying to allow for you to get some
you argue all this stuff. I even went.
That's disrespect. I'm trying to save you because you've been wrong. Nigga, I'm trying to save you. We can deep dive in this shit because I've run up a bag. I don't care. Man, listen. No. You're trying to save yourself. Now you're going to try to go at Slimmy's intellect. I think Slimmy is a pretty smart brother. He'd be just fine dealing with you intellectually. There are a lot of us out there that can deal with you intellectually. And then physically, for sure. I would say, above 70% of the population can do that. Bro, come on, man. Anton, I know you're still pissed off from Fatty. This is the same show. He's already cut that out. So he's mad. In his head, he's having a fight with Fatty. This ain't a fight. This got nothing to do with Slimmy. But because he's mad, he's willing to go at Slimmy. That's crazy.
As far as saying that they shouldn't have saved some of those automotive companies on this platform before. I said they shouldn't have saved them. They should have let them go. They should have let them die.
They should have let the automotive companies die.
That's what I said.
Okay, Slimmy.
I said that. But, we ain't never discussed automotive.
We should let our industries die in the U.S. Got it.
No, I said companies. I said certain companies.
That's what the industry.
Certain ones that when Barack Obama bailed out certain companies.
Yeah, let Chrysler and GM die. You're right. Let them die.
You're gonna get more companies, man. Let them rise from the ground up. But the problem is you've been trying to deny so much shit. And now you're contradicting yourself. You've denied half of this stuff that you're saying tonight. It's bad.
I would end it there because I haven't seen the rest of this. Maybe this is part 1, and I might come through with a part 2. I'm even not sure what I'm going to name this. Is it going to be called Anton versus Slimmy? Anton gasping for air? I have no clue, but I'll figure it out. Sorry, I paused it right there on you, Mimi. But yeah, I this is interesting because how Anton tried to act like that. You notice something. At the very end, he got off camera, right? He got off camera at the very end. Molly never came back on camera after she realized he was on some bullshit because she didn't want to show her face. And then at the end, he got off, right? So did Kim and I. Only one of less standing was Slimmy, which he always claimed that Slimmy jump off camera when it's hot. Mimi, she stood firm. She was still there because she gonna moderate the show. Did a good job. Just let them go. Nothing got out of hand. But Anton, they ain't caught up to you, bro. They see it. They see it. Again, I'm only going by what I've seen. I don't talk about your personal. I'm not going to say nothing about. I'm not going that route. I'm talking about what I'm seeing on the screen. We're talking about the show. I am reviewing the show. Not Anton the person. Not none of that. The show. But your character is very flawed. And it's caught up to you. It's caught up to you. It's time to come with a different angle. Fatty exposed that shit. Fatty exposed that shit. But if there's a part 2, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. But I'm gonna go continue. I gotta edit this now and put this on the net. I'm trying not to make these videos, hour and a half. That's too much. 20, 30 minutes, be done. But hey, this is your boy Just On Time Entertainment. Tell me what I'm doing right. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me what you want me to change. Tell me what you want me to keep the same. And I appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with me. Another one. I'm knocking it out. Peace.